Next, in this tutorial, we're going to have a look at and understand the filter select button inside of the flow tab. Now, what our filter select button allows you to do is select fluid channels or nodes that have a certain property attached to them. So, for example, let's say I want to select all of the nodes in the top layer of this pattern here. I can click on one of these nodes, and here I can see that the radius of the node is 1.25. So if I want to select all of them, what I can do is go into my object type, and in this case I want nodes. Here I've got my cross section, which in the case of a circular fluid channel, the cross section X and Y are the same, but this could be different if they were rectangular. I can select my filter type. So in this case, I want it to be less than or equal to or just equal to 1.25. And as I've input this, I can see there's 64 objects inside of my screen that have this particular feature property attached to them. So now I can click select. This will select all of the nodes here, and then I can modify everything, such as I can modify the thickness of all of them, or I could even go in and change the cross section. So that, in essence, is what the filter select tool does in Gen 3D's flow module.